Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing dischero and civil interdiction. Dischero and civil interdiction ay mga penalties na ipinapataw depende sa klase ng krimen na ginawa. Let us discuss first dischero. Dischero means banishment. Any person sentenced to dischero shall not be permitted to enter the place or places designated in the sentence, nor within radius therein specified, which shall be not more than 250 kilometers and not less than 25 kilometers from the place designated. Kapag dischero ang pinataw na penalty, hindi makukulong ang akusado. Pagbabawalan siyang pumunta sa mga lugar na nakalagay sa judgment niya. Gaano kahaba ang dischero o hanggang kailan siya bawal pumunta sa isang lugar? The duration of dischero is the same as prison correctional, which is 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Ano naman ang civil interdiction? Civil interdiction is a penalty imposed upon a person as part of a criminal sentence. Pero ano nga ba ang mangyayari kapag mayroon ito o ito ang pinataw sa iyo? The effects of civil interdictions are as follows. Deprivation of the following rights. First, parental authority. Mawawalan ka ng karapatan sa anak like custody, etc. Second, guardianship over the ward. Kung guardian ka ng isang minor, mawawalan ka din ng karapatan over that minor. Third, marital authority. Mawawalan ka din ng karapatan sa asawa mo kung mayroon man. Pero hindi po ito rason para magloko or mag-cheat or mag-asawa ulit yung naiwang asawa sa labas. Wala lang siya sa mga decision-making processes involving the household. Fourth, right to manage property and to dispose of the same by acts inter vivos. Kung may lupa ka, for example, at nahatulan ka ng civil interdiction, habang nakapataw sa iyo yan, hindi mo pwedeng ibenta o ipamigay ang lupa na yon. Gaano katagal ang civil interdiction? Civil interdiction is applicable during the time of his sentence. So kung kinulong ka ng 10 years, 10 years din ang tagal. Kailan pinapataw ang civil interdiction? Civil interdiction is an accessory penalty to the following principal penalties. First, death if commuted to life imprisonment. Second, reclusion perpetua. Third, reclusion temporal. Kapag ganyan po yung penalty pinataw sa inyo, may kasama itong accessory penalty na civil interdiction. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.